Women go wild for a guy who doesn't try. At all. Not one little bit. Don't ask me why, it's just in their nature. For a hairstyle that says I don't give a damn, Axe recommends the natural look. First, dig out a fingertip of Axe natural cream and mix it between your palms, if you can be bothered. The sweet aroma will trigger happy memories of afternoon naps or canceled social engagements. Next, rake your fingers back through that hair of yours. Take note, this step requires a modicum of effort. Finally, for more lift, sweep that hair over to one side, and voila! The transformation is effortless.
Hey.
Hey.
Nailed it. With no power comes no responsibility. Mix, rake, sweep. New Axe Natural Cream.